Hello, everyone. Let's learn something super important today. It's all about have got and has got. What do they mean? And how do we use them? We'll learn how to make positive sentences. Then in the next video, we'll do negatives and questions. First, let's understand the meaning. If I want to say, I own or possess a book or a pen, we use the verb have got. So we can say, I have got a book. It means that the book belongs to me. Let's look around us and see what we have. I have got a phone. Also, I have got a laptop. So, anything I own, I say, I have got plus the thing. Now, if I'm talking to you or to a group of people, I'll say, you have got a pen. You have got a car. And if we are talking about us, we have got a house. Or talking about other people, they have got a dog. So, the rule is we use have got with I, you, we, they, plus things we own. Examples: I have got a car. You have got a car. We have got a car. They have got a car. Easy, right? But wait, what if I'm talking about one boy, one girl, or an animal? Can I say he have got? No, not this time. With he, she, it, we use has got. Look at this boy and his bag. I will use has got and say he has got a bag. And I can also use his name instead of he, so I will say Mark has got a bag. If I am talking about one girl, I will say she has got a bike. I can also use her name instead of using she. Jasmine has got a bike. If I am talking about an animal like the cat, I will say it or the cat has got a small nose. So we use has got with he, she, or it, then mention the thing that is possessed. He has got two eyes. She has got two eyes. It has got two eyes. Let's summarize everything. We use have got with I, you, we, they. For example, I have got a phone. We use has got with he, she, it. For example, she has got a cat. So now you know how to make a positive sentence using have got and has got. Now, what if I want to say I don't own something? This is called a negative sentence in English. And we know that negative means using not. So, how do we make a negative sentence? We say, I have not got a car. That means I don't possess a car. But have not got is a little long, right? So we can use the short form. Instead of have not got, we say haven't got. Examples: I haven't got a car. I haven't got a jacket. I haven't got a piano. If I'm talking to you, I change I to you. You haven't got a bike. If I'm talking about us, we say, we haven't got an umbrella. Talking about them, they haven't got a cat. Now let's talk about has got in the negative form. Has not got becomes hasn't got. Examples: he hasn't got a pen. She hasn't got glasses. It hasn't got water. So, to make a negative sentence, we just use not with have or has. Here's a quick summary. With I, you, we, they, use haven't got. I haven't got a jacket. You haven't got a jacket. We haven't got a jacket. They haven't got a jacket. With he, she, it, use hasn't got. He hasn't got a scooter. She hasn't got a scooter. It hasn't got a scooter. Now, how do we make a question? We just change the place of have or has. Put have or has at the beginning of the sentence. For example, I have got a pencil. Will be changed to have I got a pencil? That means, do I own a pencil? And if someone asks me, have I got a pencil? I answer, yes, you have. No, you haven't. Notice that the first word in the question is the last word in the answer. So listen carefully and answer quickly. Let's ask more questions using other pronouns. Have you got a big house? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Have we got friends? Yes, we have. No, we haven't. Have they got a cat? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. Now let's ask using has. Has he got a bag? Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. Has she got a phone? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Has it got a tail? Yes, it has. No, it hasn't. So remember, when you ask a question, start with have or has. Have I, you, we, they got, and then the thing that you are asking about? And the answer could be yes, I, you, we, they have. Or no, I, you, we, they haven't. And for he, she, it, we start with has, he, she, it got, and then the thing that we are asking about. And the answer could be yes, he, she, it has. Or no, he, she, it hasn't. Now, time for the quiz. I want you guys to turn the following sentences into negative sentences and to questions. 1. You have got a computer. 2. They have got a scooter. 3. Mark has got a helmet. 4. The girl has got brown hair. 5. The dog has got black eyes. I will check your answers, so don't forget to answer them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more lessons.